Hello guys, so I've been using a Robinhood Brokerage account for a while now, and honestly, it's been an interesting ride from the start. If you're a beginner investor or someone who just wants a mobile-first platform, it's a very approachable way to get started with the markets without feeling overwhelmed. I was drawn to Robinhood because of its zero-commission trades and really clean, intuitive interface. Logging in on my phone or laptop feels effortless, and it makes checking prices and placing trades super fast, which I appreciate when I'm trying to act on market movements quickly. For example, during volatile trading days, being able to buy or sell without navigating multiple screens can make a noticeable difference in execution speed. One thing that stood out immediately is the design. It really does make data digestible at a glance. The pre-built lists like top movers and popular stocks help me spot trending stocks quickly, which is especially useful if you're trying to identify opportunities without spending hours analyzing charts or news. Though, if you're looking for deep research or fundamental filters, it's a bit limited. You can filter by things like market cap or price, but you won't find advanced screening for fundamentals or technical indicators, which I ended up missing when I tried to dig deeper. This means if you're more of a data-driven investor who wants to run detailed comparisons or advanced strategies, you might need to supplement Robinhood with another platform for research. I also gave Robinhood Gold a shot, mainly for the Morningstar reports and higher instant deposit limits, for $6.99 per month or $75 per year. It's nice if you actively manage cash or want more professional research, but for casual trading, I didn't find it essential. For someone trading larger amounts or looking to access more detailed stock analysis, Gold can be a worthwhile upgrade. On the education side, I really like what Robinhood has done. The content is clear, engaging, and even interactive, especially their options tutorials. I remember playing with the P&L charts and watching bull call spreads explained in such a digestible way that it actually clicked, something I never expected from an app that started as a beginner-friendly broker. This type of learning makes it easy to practice strategies in a risk-free environment before committing real money. Where Robinhood falls short for me is in deeper research and market context. The newsfeed is fine for a quick update, and the Snacks newsletter is handy, but there's no economic calendar or treasury market data built in. If you want to understand the why behind market moves, you have to supplement with other sources. For example, knowing when economic indicators like CPI or unemployment reports are released can significantly impact your trading decisions, and Robinhood doesn't provide that natively. Also, while the platform teaches you metrics like PE ratios, sometimes that data isn't easily accessible in the app, which can be frustrating if you're trying to apply what you've learned right away. For investors who like to analyze financial ratios and fundamentals in real time, this is a limitation to be aware of. On the banking side, I tried their Cash Card, which is convenient for direct deposits and investing bonuses. But keep in mind, it's not a traditional bank. There's no FDIC coverage, just SIPC protection for securities. It's a good perk if you're looking to move cash seamlessly into your investments, but you shouldn't treat it as a full banking solution. Overall, I'd say Robinhood is perfect if you're new to investing or want a straightforward, mobile-first platform to get started. It's not for those who want advanced tools or in-depth research, but for building confidence, learning about stocks, ETFs, and options, and making fast, simple trades. It works really well for me. It strikes a nice balance between accessibility and fun, even if I sometimes have to turn elsewhere for detailed analysis or macro insights. For someone just beginning their investing journey, it's a practical, easy-to-use tool that helps you get started without unnecessary complexity.